All right, we just got this jacket. Well, it's kind of like a slash jacket, half jacket, I would say, for a dog. And my dog's excited because I will tell you a story. He was shivering the other day. We had cold nights, and we ended up getting this material because it's a little bit more rough and a little bit more insulated. And the other ones, the sewing ones that were more of knitting, came apart. This is a better material, and this is a dog that I'm going to put on. He's a Labrador, short hair. He's a chocolate lab. I'm going to set it up on him and see how it works. So to put it on, it's pretty good. It's easy. It has Velcro, and there's also a place you can actually set up for his leash too. So we're going to put it on him. There you go. You can loosen it up. There you go. Stretch it out a little bit more. So just make sure you have the right measurements. And that's it. Come here. Look at him. He's ready to go and play in the coldness. So not bad jacket. Not bad. He's mobile. He's very mobile with him. We're going to show you guys how mobile he is. We're going to go ahead and play outside.